Hello students, I welcome you again in the online classes for the physical education for class 12th. Today I will tell you how to draw fixtures for the league tournament. As you all know, league tournaments are those tournaments in which every team gets a chance to play with the every other team in a tournament. In a single league tournament, the team plays once with the every other team in the tournament. In double league tournament, team plays twice with the every other team in the tournament. So in the league fixture today I will tell you how to draw the fixtures with the by using cycling method and staircase method. The third method is also given tabular method, but this method is not included in your syllabus. So let's see what are the procedures for the drawing the cyclic fixtures in a league tournament. So for the even number of teams, we have to fix team number 1 on the top of the right hand side, and rest of the teams are rotated in clockwise direction. Number of rounds are calculated by using the n minus 1. Number of matches are calculated by using the formula n minus 1 upon 2. And for the odd number of teams, we again fix on the right hand side, we make a box and we write B on it. B is for the bye, and rest of the teams are rotated in a clockwise direction. Numbers of rounds for the odd number of teams will be n. Suppose 5 teams are playing, so in the league tournament using cyclic method the number of rounds will be 5 only. Number of matches will be calculated by using the same formula, that is n minus 1 upon 2. This method is used for the single league type of tournament. So now I will show you how to draw the fixtures for the league tournament using the cyclic method. So let's suppose we take team 4. So for this we have to do calculate the number of rounds for this tournament, that is n minus 1. So number of teams is 4. 4 minus 1 equals to 3 rounds. All right, so I have already taken this. So now what you have to do, you have to make a one box on the right hand side. All right, and number of teams were 4, so we will write it here. Team number 1 we will fix on the right hand side like this: 1, then 2, then 3 and 4. So this is the first round, and team will move around here in the clockwise direction in front of the team number 1 which is fixed. So these are the matches for the first round. Now let's see in the second round what will be the scene. The team number 1 is again fixed here. All right, and 4 brought down, so 4 will be here, 2 will be here and 3 here. So this is the second round, and the next round again, and the teams will move like this in a clockwise direction in front of the team number 1. Now in the third round again, team number 1 is fixed here, team number 3 brought down, now 4 here and team number 2 here. So this way, now if again we start, then the round will be repeated which was repeated as in the fourth round. So therefore only the 3 rounds will take place. Now let's calculate the number of matches. This is the method for the single league tournament. So n minus 1 upon 2. Let's see what is n. N is 4. So 4 minus 1 upon 2, that is equals to 4 into 3 upon 2 equals to 12 upon 2 equals to 6 matches. Alright, let's calculate the first match, second match, third, fourth, fifth and sixth. So like this the matches are calculated and fixture is drawn, which is called a cyclic method for the league tournament. Let's take one more team here. Let's take number of teams 5 here. Number of rounds, that is for the odd team, number of rounds will be n. All right, let's see. Now in this type, when we have got a 5, 5 is a odd number. For odd number, what we will do, we will write in the right hand side, we will write a B here, the first round B, then team number 1 here, then 2 here, then 3, then 4 and 5. So this is the first round. Now in the second round, the team 5 will be brought down here and the teams will move in front of the box which is B. B stands for the buy. Now again second round we will fix up B here. Now 5 brought down, 1, 2, 3 and 4. So again this arrow shows that the team moves in a clockwise in front of this box. Now third round, again the B is here, fix here, team number 4 brought down, then 5, then 1, then 2 and 3. Now in the next round again B is fix here, 3 brought down, 3, then 4, then 5, then 1 and 2. This the arrow shows how the team moves in front of the other team. Now in the fifth round again B is fixed here, team number 2 brought down, 3, then 4, then 5 and then 1. So this is the last round, fifth round, and if we try to make a one more round, then again it will be the same repetition. So that's why for the odd number of teams, the number of teams participating equals to the number of rounds. Now let's calculate the number of matches. N is 5. 5 minus 1 upon 2 equals to 5 into 4 upon 2 equals to 20 upon 2, that is 10 matches. Alright, let's calculate. Yes, 1, 2, 5 is given a buy. Here team of 5 is standing in front of B, so it is a buy. 1, so first match, second match, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth and 10th. So in this way number of matches, that is 10. So this was the other example for the cyclic method where we have taken the team 5 teams. Now let's take number of teams 6. So number of rounds will be n minus 1. 6 minus 1 equals to 5 rounds. Alright, now let's see what will be the first round. In the first round we will write team number 1 here. For the even number, 6 is again even number. Yes, 1 here, then 2, then 3, 4, 5 and 6, because we have to make the game in a pair. Matches can be held in a pair, and we have seen in the odd we have taken only these two pairs because this was given a buyer. So now let's see what will be the second round. Team number 6 will brought down. This will rotate in a clockwise direction in front of the team 1. Again 1 is fixed here, 6 is brought down, then 2, then 3, then 4 and 5. Again the team will brought down here. Third round, team number 1 is fixed here, 5 brought down, then 6, then 2 and 3 and 4. Now fourth round, team number 1 is fixed here, 4th brought down, then 5, then 6 and 2 and 3 here. Now again this team will move in a clockwise directions in front of team number 1. Now the fifth round, again team number 3 brought down here, then 4, then 5, then 6 and 2. All right, yes, so now if we move on to the next round, then again it will be the repetition of the first round. So it cannot be, we cannot have the sixth round. Now let's calculate the number of matches. It is n minus 1 upon 2. So n is 6. 6 minus 1 upon 2 equals to 6 into 5 upon 2 equals to 30 upon 2 equals to 15 matches. Now let's calculate here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yes, again we'll check it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So total matches will be 15 matches as we have calculated in the even number of teams. So this way you can make a fixtures using the cyclic method for the league tournament. Now let's move ahead. Here is an example shown to you. You can practice through it, and here you can place the team number 1 in a box, then rotate the team in a clockwise, and the number of matches are also calculated here. We have given 2 examples, 6 teams and 5 teams. Now I will tell you how to draw the fixtures for the using the staircase method. Okay, the staircase method is again a very simple method. This method tells you about only the number of matches will be held in a team. So let's see how you will make a staircase method. All right, let's take a 6 teams. So as you all know, stair means a staircase, a ladder type. All right, now let's see 6 teams for which we will do. Team number 1 will not play with team number 1, so team will play with team number 2. 1 will play with 3, 1 will play with 4, 1 with 5, and 1 with 6. Now in the next stage, 2 will play with 3, 2 will play with 4, 2 will play with 5, 2 will play with 6. Then 3 will play with 4, 3 will play with 5, 3 will play with 6, 4 will play with 5, 4 will play with 6, and 5 will play with 6. So now every team, yes, 6 teams were there, so every team will play their 5 matches, that is, yes, and we will calculate the matches. And n minus 1 upon 2. So when there are 6 teams, so every team will play 5 matches. Yes, team number 1 has played it matches, that is 5 matches here. 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 matches. Now let's see team number 2, how many matches team number 2 has played. All right, here team number 2 has played 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 matches here. Now let's see team number 3. 1 match, 2, 3, 4, and 5 matches here. Now let's see team number 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 matches here. Now let's see team number 5 here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Team number 6 here. 1 by 6, 2 by 6, 3 by 6, 4 by 6, and 5 by 6. So this, the shape which comes, this is staircase type. So that's why this method is known as a staircase method. This method is useful only to calculate the number of matches. There is no other importance of this method, because there is no clarity which team is going to play which day, which round. Nothing you can find it from this method. Only you can calculate the number of matches. So let's see, n was 6. 6 minus 1 upon 2 equals to 6 into 5 upon 2, that is 30 upon 2 equals to 15 matches. Yes, now let's see 15 matches. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 and 15. So this method is used only to calculate the number of matches in a tournament. All right, now let's practice the 7 teams here. Okay, yes, we'll write it here. 1 by 2, 1 by 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Then 2 by 3, 2 by 4, 2 by 5, 2 by 6, 2 by 7, 3 by 4, 3 by 5, 3 by 6, 3 by 7, 4 by 5, 4 by 6, 4 by 7, 5 by 6, 5 by 7 and 6 by 7. Okay, now again we will use the formula, that is n minus 1 upon 2 equals to 7. 7 minus 1 upon 2 equals to 7 into 6 upon 2, it is 42 upon 2, that is 21 matches. All right, now let's check it here. We will make a full ladder type staircase. Okay, all right, let's calculate the number of matches. 21 matches. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20 and 21 matches. So this way we can calculate the number of matches in a tournament. All right, now let's make one more example, that is for the 10 teams. All right, let's locate the teams here. 1 by 2, 1 by 3. We cannot take 1 by 1 because 1 cannot play with the 1. So we have taken 1 by 2. Okay, 1 by 3, 1 by 4, 1 by 5, 1 by 6, 1 by 7, 1 by 8, 1 by 9, 1 by 10. Then 2 by 3, 2 by 4, 2 by 5, 2 by 6, 2 by 7, 2 by 8, 2 by 9, 2 by 10. Then we'll take 3 by 4, 3 by 5, 3 by 6, 3 by 7, 3 by 8, 3 by 9 and 3 by 10. Then 4 by 5, 4 by 6, 4 by 7, 4 by 8, 4 by 9, 4 by 10. Then 5 by 6, 5 by 7, 5 by 8, 5 by 9, 5 by 10. Then 6 by 7, 6 by 8, 6 by 9, 6 by 10. Then 7 by 8, 7 by 9, 7 by 10. Then 8 by 9, 8 by 10, and then 9 by 10. Now let's make a full staircase type. And n minus 1 upon 2, that is 10. 10 minus 1 upon 2 equals to 10 into 9. upon 290 upon 2, that is 45 matches. Okay, 2 2s are 4, 2 5s are 10. All right, now let's check it. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20 21 22 23 24 25 26 27 28 29 30 31 32 33 34 35 36 37 38 39 40 41 42 43 44 and 45 matches. So in this way, this method is useful in calculating the number of matches in a tournament, and I have given you three examples in this staircase type of method. So here it is, a staircase method for your practice also. Now let's also know what is the method of deciding the winner in a league tournament. So we can decide a winner by using the point system, that is winner of the match gets 2 points, loser of the match as a nil 0 point, for the draw there is a 1 point. Team having the maximum point is declared as a winner. If there's a tie between two teams, their match is held again. So this was I have told you in this video about how to draw the fixtures for the league tournament using the staircase and cyclic method. In my next video, I will tell you about the next type of the fixtures used in this method, that is the seeding method for the knockout tournament. Hope you will understand it and practice it for your more practice.